What's going on, guys? I wanted to give you a quick mobile view of Lux Algo trading indicators. This buy and sell indicator software, guys, it is incredibly useful and very accurate. Here's a perfect example here. We're on the 1 hour chart. Earlier today, it showed a strong sell signal, and what do you know? The bottom fell out, and there you are, and now it's trying to correct itself. But basically, man, this is pretty damn accurate. You can go and adjust the optimal sensitivity setting depending on how you view your chart. It will move the indicators in a certain way that's more favorable for viewing. So we can click on this here, and that said that it was an optimal sensitivity of 16 based on how we were viewing the chart. Hit OK, and there you go. As you can see, the indicators are moving a little bit. So it just depends on how you're viewing your chart, of course. And if you want to adjust, you don't have to really adjust that, but I'm telling you, man, this thing is pretty freaking awesome. If we go on to the 1 day chart, you can take a look at like longer term trends, shorter term trends, of course, with this software. And it's just very, very useful for giving you a great overview on the market and just basically, more data to look at when you're trading. So whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, Lux Algo has definitely got something for you. I'm going to move the sensitivity indicator here again on this chart just to show you how things can move around a little bit if they need to. That one didn't really move around a lot, so that's okay. But basically, some of the questions I've had from you guys is there repainting with this software? And the answer is no. They do not offer repainting, so you are seeing quite accurate indicators based on the algorithms in place here with Lux Algo. And the Lux Algo oscillator is also here along with price action concepts. That is another indicator that comes with the premium package. So I just really encourage you guys, man, always do your own research, but I've been really enjoying Lux Algo personally. I've been using it for a long time. It's helped me take more profits at the right time. And I just enjoy it. I wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys on the mobile view so you can see for yourself. I have a link in my description if you want to check it out and see for yourself if it's good for you. There's a money back guarantee, so it's really nothing you can lose on. Give it a shot, see how it impacts your trades. And I definitely encourage you guys to do so. Also with Lux Algo, guys, there is a bot for the Discord called optibot, and it'll let you actually get more specific settings that you can adjust regarding each asset individually to give you the most optimal settings for taking profit. I really like that. I have a video also, I'll link somewhere, for the best optimal settings that you can use for Lux Algo in general. And go ahead and check that video out. That will help you out a lot getting started. Also, remember, make sure you always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would advise you guys to check out my next video. Be alpha.